Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Echo, quick guide step by step clearly. To set up your Echo device, start by unboxing it carefully. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection available. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Connect your Echo device to a power outlet using the included power adapter. Wait for the light ring on your Echo to turn orange. This indicates your device is in setup mode. In the Alexa app, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right. Select Add Device. Choose Amazon Echo from the list of device types. Then select your specific Echo model. Follow the prompts to connect your Echo to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once connected, the light ring will turn blue, signaling a successful connection. You can now customize your Echo settings within the app. Explore features like routines, music services, and connected smart home devices. To start interacting with your Echo, simply say Alexa followed by your request. Your Echo is now ready to assist you. Enjoy exploring all its features and capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.